Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle, it's finished, guys. Here, that one, by the way, that one here. And it's finished. How else we tell it to you, guys? We tell it to you here is going to fall down when that two candles came. And look at it, tell where it fall down. So what that indicates to you guys here, that one, it doesn't indicate nothing, guys, and I'm going to show it to you. Look with me very close here. If you remember, guys, what else we said when that candle, that green one came. That one, it came in Monday. Yes or no? And we tell you that one, guys, thousands of times. When that candle starts, we tell you 80% the market is going to fall down. And that's what it did, guys, till here. Yes or no? Now that candle here, that one, that red one, what it meant to you guys. Look with me. Here, very close, what I'm going to show you here. Here and here in the top of that candle. Look at me. Look at that from here and here, guys. Yes or no? What you see? That green one, is it in the range of that red candle, that one? That red candle, that one, it came till the down of that candle here, but he couldn't break it. Yes or no? As you see here, the tail where it's showing, guys. Now here, I think also we're going to stay here inside that range, guys. Maybe you're going to see another candle here or something. But till now, here in the daily, what should you do, guys? Here in the daily, should you buy, should not? Here in the daily, guys, it's still very early for you to buy or for you to sell. Look here what the market giving you here in the daily, guys. Look at it. It's a very clear head and shoulder there. Yes or no? And there is a big one here if we zoom it out, guys. So should you buy, guys? No, my friend. No, the right answer, no, it's not yet. Look here, what you seeing? That the trend line, also we said it needs to be broken, guys. Yes or no? Did it come to it? Not yet. It doesn't even come to it, guys, here. When the market is going to come here, you can enter long, but now, not yet. And look here, what else we tell you before, guys. You got a very clear head and shoulder here. Yes or no? And now, the market, it gives you another head and shoulder here. Look at it. Like that and like that. So you got two head and shoulders, guys. Should you buy? No, my friend. It's still very early. And I tell you all those things before. I told you there is a pushing up, then after that there is a big drop. And I show you in 2018 the market did the same thing, guys. And here the volume, guys, it's showing the market it's very dry. And the investors, they waiting the Friday, the option when it's going to expire, guys. Because some people, they put in the pots there and it's going to expire this week for Bitcoin about $580 million, guys, options. So we're going to see if it's going to enter to the market or no. Like last time when I told you here, you see what happened till here, guys. The same thing that Friday is going to happen, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So now should you buy? No, my friend, no. It's still very early for you to buy here in the daily. I'm talking in daily. By the way, to understand our analysis, you need to watch the whole video and don't try to skip nothing in it. Also, we started multiple time frames. We started from daily. We analyze for you daily for long-term investors, 4 hours, for swing traders, 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders. So you choose your type and you go with it. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you. Are you not yet subscriber in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. A video after the European market close and a video after the daily candle close, and every day, guys. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all our analysis free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free here. It's very simple. It will not take you that much. A red button down, click at it, you will become subscriber. Next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you will be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see the news which is coming tomorrow, guys. Here, guys, the news which is coming tomorrow. As you see it here, that the news which is coming tomorrow. So the news we got that one, The first one at 10 o'clock, EU Leaders Summit. That's man, there is a reunion between the European leaders. That one is going to start at 10 o'clock and is going to stay all the whole day. We're talking about the economical problems they facing in European Union. Plus, at 12:30, we got initial jobless claim of USA. That's man, the people, they losing their jobs and they claiming for benefits. And the previous it used to be 228k and the forecasting 230k. That's when the people they still losing the jobs of them in USA. And that the plan of the Fed he want the unemployment rate to reach between 4 and 5 guys. So, and they do want it to pass 5 to reduce the inflation. I think everything is too clear. Then we got that Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. Then we got the one at 2 o'clock exiting home sales of USA. That's mean how many houses they're selling. So I think everything is too clear. And here, our friend guys, that one every time also we looking at it every day, by the way, if you are new here, is that table guys. What it's showing to you guys, what did I told you in Monday, people they being with us in Monday, what did I told you about US stocks when they being all of them green? I told you all of them they are going to fall down, yes or no? Look at them. All of them, they fall down. The VIX here, what it's telling you guys? Look at the VIX. What it's saying? The VIX, it's still very, very, very high, guys. Actually, it's go up more than yesterday. Now it's 30.76, guys. It's going to 31. Should you buy? No, my friend. It's still very, very, very early because the VIX is the measurement of scariness and afraid people or people they don't want to invest in the market. That's how professional people they use it. When the VIX is getting high, they started hedging against the risk of them. So now the VIX here is too high, guys. Should you buy? No, you don't have that capacity to hedge against the risk of you. You got a little bit of money, you need to invest it just once. So it's not yet. Another thing, what is it? The dollar index, guys. The dollar index yesterday, what it used to be? 111. Today, what it's showing? 112, and it's going to 113, guys. Still just few points, guys. Should you buy? No, my friend, it's still very, very early for you to buy here. For long-term investors, me, I'm talking. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, last time when it came here, we told you it's still very early. Look now where it go back till here. And here, look at it, you got a very stronger level here. It's still showing a rejection here, guys. What should you do now? Nothing, my friend. It might from here to fall down till that white one here, the uptrend we got. Then we're going to see if it's going to reverse or no. But till now here in the daily, it's still very, very early for us. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, did you smash the like button? Yes, you. I'm talking to you. You smashing the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Go now and smashing the like button, helping us. You know that channel without you guys, it can growing up. We don't ask you for donation or money or something. We're just asking you to smashing the like button, to write down a comment, and if you could and it's possible for you to share the video in social media, my friend. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, we tell you we got here a divergence and we got here a divergence and we told you all those things and we told you that when it's just an oscillator, it doesn't mean when we enter here at the oversold, we need to buy, and we told you all those things. So should you buy here? No, my friend, it doesn't break here. So here in the daily, it's still very, very, very early, guys, for you to buy. Everything is too clear. So now what else we done, guys? We analyze for you the candle and the price action, the first one. Second one, we analyze for you our indicators. All of them, they say no. Should you buy? No, my friend. Believe me, us, we are professional people, guys. We tell you how professional people they working, not like how amateurs they working. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what you seeing? Did I told you the last candle or the last video? I told you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Yes or no? And here, as you see those candles, all of them, they showing here down a big tail. Only one candle, that red one, it's showing it's breaking. But should you buy, my friend? Or should you enter short? No. Because what did I told you here? Look with me. What did I told you here you got? I told you it gave you here like a double top. Did it breaking for you the last low? No, it doesn't. So it need to come to break here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. And another thing here in the 4 hours, guys, let me show it to you. Here, look with me very close at that green green candle, that one. You came to the top of it, the lower of it. What you see in the two red candles that are inside bar, guys? Yes or no? The Bitcoin, it doesn't break down and it doesn't break higher, guys. Yes or no? And another one. Let me show it to you. Look at that here. That red candle, that one, and that one. Then did any candle of those candles they passed here, all of them breaking the lower and closing below that low here? No, my friend. I'm talking about that low here. No one of them is closing below that level, guys. So it's still just sideways market here, guys. There is nothing confirmed yet, guys. And we're going to see tomorrow the jobless claim, how much is going to be, guys. If it's going to be positive or negative. Because that one is going to tell you if the Fed is going to hike interest rate more or no, guys. By the way, the Fed today, or the members of the Fed, all of them today, they said they are going to increase interest rate more, guys. So we don't know what's going to happen. All the world, they warned them, but them, they said they are going to increase it more and more. So let's wait until election came of USA, or the Congress election came, then maybe that directive they have now in USA, it will going to change, because till now all those people, they taking the world to the disaster, guys. Everything is still clear. So here in the 4 hours, guys, it's still very, very, very early for you to enter. I think everything is still clear. And what did I told you here in the 4 hours, guys, we have? What did I told you here you have, guys? In the 4 hours, I'm talking, I told you have a very clear triangle like that, guys. Yes or no? Look at it. It's very, very clear here. Did it break in here? No, my friend. Did it breaking down? No, my friend. And the 200 moving average here, what it's showing you? Look with me here. Very close, guys. It's showing you the market, it's flat. That it meant, guys, one thing, that the quietness before the storm it came. Because every storm when it's coming, it always came a very, very, very quietness. And now if you're using the Bollinger Band, guys, what you're going to find? You're going to find the Bollinger Band here is getting very, very, very small, guys, like that. Yes or no? And what that meant? A big portion is going to come either up or either down, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. So now let's go into see our indicators, guys, and I'm going to come back to you guys after the European market close. So if you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when there is a video going to be updated, you done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Let's see our indicators, guys. What the same for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, when it's breaking here, we tell you it's going to fall down. As you see it, what it's showing you here, those very famous 3 up, 2 down of us. But now it's showing, it give you 3 down, guys, as you see them, but only 2 up. So it might from here you're going to see it going up, but we don't know. And here, as you remember, also when it touch here, we're taking some profit. Now as we go out from the market, we're waiting another opportunity, guys, in the 4 hours. So there is none. And when it's going to come, I'm going to update you here. So it's going to be another free signal here in our channel, guys. So if you want to benefit from it, it's very simple. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. When it's going to be a new signal, we're going to give it to you here, guys. Now it's going to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, if you remember from here, as we enter long, here we're taking the profit. Look where we are now. I show you all those things thousands of times. So should you buy? Not yet, guys. Should you sell? There is no short entry, guys. Also now we need to wait in, and I'll show you all those things. I'll show you the triangle you have here. I'll show you that one. I'll show you all those things, guys. So now either it needs to break up or to come to break down. Then also we will see where it's going to go. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for the 4 hour, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. And if there is any scalping opportunity or day trading opportunity, we're going to give it to you, guys. So let's go in now to 30 minutes. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, the last video, what did I told you here? If you remember, the last video, what did I told you here? I told you got here a triangle. If it's breaking higher here, you enter long. Yes or no? Did it break here, my friend? No. Remember it, and believe me, when it's going to break here, you're going to see it going maybe here or maybe till here, guys. So here is a buying opportunity, guys, waiting with the triangle here. That one, look at it, how I draw it. You just came to those ones, you draw it like that, guys. And it's going to break here to come a candle and to close above it here. You enter long, guys. Stop loss of you put it lower here. Here in scalping, always put stop loss, guys. What tell us that is our indicator, guys. What our indicator is saying. Look at it. When you are at the oversold area, guys, you enter long. Yes or no? So what else we say? Oversold area, very stronger supply and demand. You are in one. And the most important part of all that is the price action. You got one here, guys. Look at it. It's very, very, very clear price action here. If it came and break in here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.